Welcome to Encyclo Hub. In this video, we are discussing MCOM first semester business finance paper. So let's discuss. Before starting this, I want to share something because we provide different kind of services like solve assignments and projects. So if you are looking for any kind of help, first of all, save this number and contact us anytime. Now let's discuss about the paper. So MCOM first semester paper is first AB, second AB. The second paper is SCOM 1 2. So 1 AB and 2 AB. Thus, there are two questions in this paper, and the SCOM 13, banking and insurance. In this paper, also, there are two questions, and SCOE 11, two questions, and the last one, SCOE 12, last two questions. So, if you are looking for the answers of these paper, contact us anytime. We will provide all the answers accordingly. Thank you so much for watching. We will meet you soon on the WhatsApp.